Hi, I'm Renée Callan-Gehring, Commercial Product Manager at Hato. In a dairy barn, lighting is part of daily management. It shapes routines, supports comfort, and influences how cows use the space throughout the barn. That's the role the RUDAX was designed for. RUDAX is a dairy-specific lighting system built around the Lactivus spectrum. This spectrum is developed to support natural behaviour and stable day-night rhythms in cattle housing. The focus is not on brightness alone, but on creating a light climate that fits how cows naturally function. RUDAX is available in two versions, depending on where your farm is located. In North America, there is RUDAX UL. This version operates from 100 to 277 volts and is certified for use in North American barns. For Europe, there is RUDAX CE. This version operates from 220 to 240 volts and meets EU standards. Both versions share the same core philosophy, the same light quality, and the same practical design. One of the key strengths of RUDAX is how easy it is to work with. The plug-and-play design allows fixtures to be connected quickly and cleanly. This simplifies installation and keeps the process clear for installers and farmers alike. In many cases, barns can be equipped or updated without complex wiring alterations. Besides this, we also have a version with one-sided wiring, which can be placed in specific areas of the barn, above a water trough, for example. In the barn itself, RUDAX delivers soft, evenly distributed light. The diffuser helps limit glare and harsh contrasts, creating a calm and consistent environment across the entire housing area. RUDAX is also built for everyday barn conditions. The fixture is IP67, fully sealed against dust and moisture, and designed for washdown environments. It's flicker-free and made to operate reliably in a wide range of temperatures. With an expected average lifetime of 50,000 hours and a limited warranty of 8 years, RUDAX is designed for long-term use in professional dairy operations. RUDAX fits farms that want a lighting system made for dairy cattle, which is easy to install, easy to maintain, and consistent in daily use. It is lighting that works quietly in the background, supporting the rhythm of cows every day.